Good morning, children. Today we will do exercises and answers of Krishna and Sudama. This lesson we have already done. Let's do the exercise first. First one is fill in the blanks with one word only. Let's see the first sentence. Krishna and Sudama became friends while studying at the Gurukul. Gurukul, Gurukul. Second is Krishna was the king of Dwarka. Dwarka, Dwarka. Dwarka is a city. Sudama took with him some puffed rice as an offering for his friend. Puffed, Puffed. Next is the name of Krishna's wife was Rukmini. Rukmini, Rukmini. Now let's answer the following questions briefly. First question is, why did Sudama's wife suggest to him to go to Krishna? You can see here in question, wife is missing, W-I-F-E, wife is here. Why did Sudama's wife suggest to him to go to Krishna? Answer will be, Sudama was very poor as Krishna was the king of Dwarka. His wife suggested him to go for some help. And the next question is, what was Sudama's condition when he reached Krishna's palace? Sudama looked shabby. Shabby means very bad condition. Sudama looked shabby in his dirty and tattered clothes. He was tired and his feet were sore. How did Krishna welcome Sudama? Krishna welcomed Sudama warmly. He hugged Sudama, washed his feet, made him sit on the throne, and served him food. How did Krishna help Sudama? Krishna helped Sudama without asking anything. He gave him everything Sudama needed. उन्होंने सब कुछ दे दिया था. जब सुदामा अपने घर पहुंचे तो उन्होंने क्या देखा? He saw a big palace in place of his hut, and his wife was wearing beautiful clothes with beautiful jewelries. Read the following and tick the correct option. There may be more than one correct answer. In the beginning, Sudama was willing to go to Krishna. Why do you think Sudama was willing to go to his friend? Here you can tick more than one answer also. I have ticked 3 answers here. First is, he thought that his friend might think him to be greedy. उन्होंने सोचा कि शायद कृष्ण उन्हें लालची समझ लेंगे कि सिर्फ पैसे के लिए आया है. He was not sure whether his friend would even recognize him. दूसरी बात ये थी कि उन्हें ये भी पता नहीं था कि शायद उनके दोस्त अब राजा बनने के बाद उन्हें पहचानेंगे कि नहीं पहचानेंगे. He was not sure whether Krishna would help him. और वो इस बात से भी श्योर नहीं थे कि कृष्ण उनकी मदद करेंगे या नहीं. That's why Sudama was unwilling to go to his friend. Next is, at one point he even decided to turn back. And when he reached Dwarka, at that point also he even decided to turn back. Why, children? Why do you think Sudama decided to turn back? Actually, the second option will be correct. Krishna had become a king and Sudama was not sure whether he would like to meet his poor old friend. ज़्यादातर बार क्या होता है कि जब कोई बहुत बड़ा आदमी बन जाता है तो उसे गरीब लोगों से मिलने में या अपने से नीचे लोगों से मिलने में परेशानी होती है. वो उसे पहचानना भी नहीं चाहते हैं. और सुदामा ने ऐसा ही सोचा कृष्ण के बारे में. उन्हें लगा कि कृष्ण अब द्वारका के राजा बन गए हैं तो वो शायद अपने गरीब दोस्त को ना पहचाने, पुराने दोस्त को ना पहचाने और मिलना पसंद ना करें, इसीलिए वो लौट रहे थे। Pick out at least 3 instances or examples to prove that Krishna and Sudama were true friends. One example has been given. You have to pick out 3 examples from your lesson, from your book. One example is already given, means you have to write only 2. First is, even though Krishna was the king, he came out himself to receive and welcome his old friend. And this proves that they are friends. Krishna snatched the bundle of bundle, L is left here. Krishna snatched the bundle of puffed rice and eat it with great relish. Relish means with great type of satisfaction. तो सेकंड हम लोग लिख सकते हैं कि कृष्ण ने बंडल जो था पफ्ड राइस का, जिसे सुदामा जी ने छिपा के रख दिया था, अपने पास दबा लिया था, उसे छीन कर और वो खाने लगे बहुत आनंद के साथ, बहुत मजा लेके खाए वो। और थर्ड नंबर इज, व्हेन सुदामा रीच्ड हिज विलेज ही वाज सरप्राइज्ड टू सी अ पैलेस इन प्लेस ऑफ हिज हट। और तीसरी बात ये थी कि कृष्ण ने उनकी मदद बिना कुछ बोले, बिना कुछ पूछे कर दी, और जब सुदामा अपने गांव पहुंचे तो वो सरप्राइज्ड हो गए ये देख के कि उनकी झोपड़ी की जगह एक महल खड़ा है। All these 3 proves that Krishna and Sudama were friends. Find the words from the text which mean the same as the following. You have to write same meaning of the given group of words. First is to go without food, means starve, starve. To be ready to do something, willing, willing. In a very bad condition, shabby, shabby. Splendid rich means plenty of money, plenty, plenty of money, money. To like or enjoy, relish, relish, relish. These are the meaning. You can note down in your copy and learn it. And now the last question is, in 5 to 6 sentences, write what Sudama felt when he returned and saw a beautiful house in place of his hut. Begin like this. First line is given already. What Sudama felt when he saw a beautiful palace in place of his hut. When I reached back, Sudama is saying that, when I reached back, I did not see my hut. I saw a beautiful house. I was surprised. I thought perhaps I came at wrong place. Suddenly I saw my wife came out to receive me. She was looking beautiful in nice clothes and jewelry. Then I understood that it was Krishna who helped us without saying anything. He is really my best friend. And these are the thoughts which Sudama felt that time. Okay children, hope you understood whole lesson, and now you can do exercises and question answers easily. Hope you like this video. Subscribe my channel, like it, comment on it, share it with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.